Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today, a simple tip to speak the past tense in French. No complicated grammar. It's a very easy way to speak about past actions. Think of English when you use a present tense to talk about an action that will happen in the future. In English, we use the verb to go plus another verb to talk about something that will happen in the future. In French, we can also use the same construction with a different verb to talk about something that happened in the past. As usual, you can go on a website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, to find the transcript and more content. And as mentioned before, you can join the Facebook page for more inspiration. And if you're just joining this podcast is dedicated to beginners and travelers. You can use a French verb at present tense to talk about everything that happened in the past. Just as the near future in English, such as I'm going to be there at 2 p.m., we use a present tense to go followed by a verb to express something happening in the future. In French, we can use something similar when talking about the past. So, to state something that just happened in the past, in French, you use venir de plus verb. I'll explain to you. To start speaking in past tense, you memorize the verb venir at present tense, and then you add de plus a verb. Venir in French means to come or to come over. This is something that is used a lot by the French. Let's see how it works. I am going to give you a few examples using different subjects, such as Je viens de partir. I just left. Je viens de partir. Do you hear? So it is I come. And de can be loose, translated by from, and then partir, leave. But don't think like this. It's whenever you use venir de, think of just. Je viens de partir. I just left. Are you ready to speak French? I will be right back after this short break. Tu viens de manger, you just ate. Tu viens de manger, you just ate. Il vient de faire les courses, he just went grocery shopping. Il vient de faire les courses, grocery shopping. Elle vient de téléphoner. Elle vient de téléphoner. She just called. Nous venons d'aller au restaurant. Nous venons d'aller au restaurant. We just went to the restaurant. You have to use the apostrophe. Okay, remember that the DE will turn into the apostrophe in front of a vowel. Why do I mean is listen to the difference. nous venons d'aller au restaurant. Nous venons de aller au restaurant. You notice that I drop the E in front of the vowel. Nous venons d'aller au restaurant. Vous venez de payer. Vous venez de payer. You just paid. Ils viennent de prendre le train. Ils viennent de prendre le train. They just took the train. Elles viennent d'acheter les places. Elles viennent d'acheter les places. They just bought the entrance tickets. Let's review together. To speak at past tense, you use venir at present tense plus de plus verb. I just used the verb venir at present tense. Je viens d'utiliser le verbe venir au présent. To speak at past tense, you can either remember all the verb venir at present tense, or if you just need to speak about yourself, just je viens de. I'm going to repeat the verb venir and let's work together. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. Great. Again, you will find the transcript on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode. Here you go. It's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe and, as usual, share with your friends. You can also subscribe to get the episode. You can go on our website and sign up. Don't worry, I don't spam everybody. You will just get a email once a week with the link for the new episode. And one last thing, if you listen to this episode with Spotify, you can leave 5 stars in the app, or if you listen with Apple Podcast, feel free to leave a review and stars so other listeners can find about the podcast. Wherever you are in the world, I thank you for being such a great listener, and I know you are awesome. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.